I'm going to show you 3 different ways of finding an area underneath the curve, meaning we're going to see definite integrals. Please be aware that if you are integrating trig identities, make sure that your mode is under radians. And to do that, all you have to do is press mode and check here for radians if it's highlighted. If it's not, it's more than likely going to be highlighted in degree. All you have to do is scroll down and then press enter. To get out of this, just press second, mode again, and you're here. Let's get started. Let me first clear this and we'll get started. The fastest way to do this is clicking on math and choosing fn int, again, a function integrated. Select that. This is going to appear for the newer updated models. All right, enter your limits. -1. That top limit is 3. Here, enter your function, x raised to the 3rd power minus 3x squared minus 3. Then over here, we want to put in our x variable. Once you do that, press enter, and this is your definite integral from -1 to 3 of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3, all with respect to x, is -20. As you can see down here, these are the buttons that I press to get to this. There is a different way of doing this. The other way is by pressing y equals and enter your function here. X cubed minus 3x squared minus 3. From here, you need to go outside, and it's going to be very similar from here. Math. Go down to you have option 9. Press enter. The definite integral from -1 to 3. Now from here, you're going to choose your first function with respect to x. Same result. Third different method is by doing this graph. Literally, you're going to see the area under this curve, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3. All right. Again, you are going to need to have your function. From there, you are going to graph, and here's that function. We're finding area underneath the curve. So what that means is that our total area needs to be -20, so that means there is more below the x-axis than above the x-axis. All right, let's go back to this graph. All right, these 3 steps right here, no need to pay attention to them. All right, again, you do not need to pay attention to these, again, because I just went back to show you this should be -20. All right, from here, you have your function. You're going to press second trace for calculate. Again, here is the definite integral or indefinite integral the way it's shown. We're going to choose 7, right? Because it's asking us for a lower limit, this is now going to become a definite integral. And there, -1, press enter. Your upper limit, 3, enter, and there it is. All this shaded part is your area underneath the curve of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3, and it is -20. Again, these 3 buttons right here in the first, second, mode, and graph, these 3 buttons are not part of that sequence.